Want to make these viral microwave zoom and Twixtor effects for your edits in After Effects? In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact settings I use to create them. First, get your clips ready. Now pre-compose the clips. Now apply Twixtor Pro. Then copy my settings. Set a keyframe for speed value to 180 at the beginning of the clip and minus 180 at the end. Now click F9 to easy ease these keyframes and open Graph Editor and copy my graph. Now copy this Twixtor effect and paste it on all of your clips. Now let's create the microwave zoom. Create an adjustment layer above your first clip and apply S-Blur Move Curves. Copy my settings. At the beginning, set the Z_dist value to 1.000 and again 1.000 at the end. Press F9 to easy ease these keyframes and then copy this graph. That's what creates the microwave style zoom effect. Once it looks good, duplicate the adjustment layer and align it with the rest of your clips. And that's basically it. After adding these zooms, Twixtor, glitches and color grading, this is the final result. I'll also be making separate tutorials for my glitches, color grading, text animations and the rest of my editing process. So if you want to see those, let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.